Let's talk about the Louis Vuitton Nile. The Nile bag is one of a few bags that were named after rivers, rainforests, things like that, a very like tropical vibe. There's also an Amazon bag. The Amazon bag is shaped this way and it's smaller, it's about half the size. This is the Nile. The Nile makes a really good unisex bag. When we've done events at pop-up shops and things like that, I've had men that buy this bag as their everyday bag because it's not too girly. It's just a really nice, it is a crossbody bag. So it's a great crossbody bag. This one has a monogram strap. So instead of the leather strap, you don't have to worry about getting this, having watermarks on it or getting it wet or anything like that. It won't have any issues on there. So it is pretty long. I'm about 5'6" and it's hitting me a little low. So that's another reason that it's great for men. So you can use this if you're a man or a woman, it doesn't matter. Whoever wants to wear this bag can wear this bag. Let's talk about the pockets. So has a front pocket here with a zipper. It is leather interior, so that's a sign that this is a vintage bag. This pocket is also leather and it has a zipper on the inside. So quick fact about Louis Vuitton vintage bags. Sometimes the leather interior bags, if it's a vintage, when it hits humidity or humidity gets inside of the bag, the interior pockets, the original leather can start kind of peeling, fading off. And that's not an issue as long as you get all that leather residue. Once that starts happening, get all of that off. And then there's like a cotton interior behind that kind of just stays. This one, you can see how it has a very clean pocket. That means that this one was the original pocket has been replaced with new leather. So that's a great sign. That means that this one, you don't have to worry about your pocket having any of that sticky residue or anything like that. This one has been replaced. So that's an amazing sign. It brings value to this bag for sure. We also have one on our website. So we've got two currently in stock that does have some peeling interior, so you can kind of see the price difference on those two. I like how this has a little bit of a shutter, just a little hint of nice leather from Louis Vuitton, but not too much. It's not overdone at all. You can find this bag and bags like this on our website at milkandcollection.com. And if you enjoyed this video, we make all sorts of videos on different brands between Louis, Valentino, Chanel, Gucci, and so many more. So like, subscribe, comment below what you think of this bag. Do you like it? Would you carry it? If you're a man, would you carry this bag?